Shaitanir Rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. May I introduce my lovely princess Sarah Tahir from UK. How are you, Sarah?
Good.
Okay, Sarah, can you tell me in which grade do you study?
In 3 days I'm going in year 3, so now I'm in year 2.
Okay. Sarah, can you tell me which fruit do you like to eat?
Watermelon.
Oh wow, mashallah. It's my favorite fruit also. Wow. Okay, Sarah, can you tell me which food do you like to eat?
Sag.
Okay, right. And which book do you like to read? Okay, leave it. Do you offer salah, prayer, namaz? Yes or no?
Sometimes I pray.
Yeah. And sometimes?
Just sometimes.
Okay, right. And Sarah, are you ready to read your lesson? Okay, let's
Yep.
start. Okay, first we would like to read dua before start your lesson, right? So now I'm going to share my laptop screen in front of you. Okay, share on this share screen, and another window appears. Okay, and then click on share button, and now my laptop screen has been shared. Okay, Sarah.
I can't hear.
Oh, just wait, please. Sarah, please read dua. A'udhu
A'udhu
billahi
billahi
minash shaitan
minash
minash
shaitan
nirrajim.
rajim.
Bismillah
Bismillah
Rahman
Rahman
Rahim.
Rahim.
Rabbi shrah li
Rabbi shrah li
sadri
sadri
wa yassir li
wa yassir li
amri
amri
wahlul
wahlul
uqda
uqda
min lisani yafqahu qawli. Okay, read 3 times. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. Read it.
Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma,
Ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma.
Rabbi zidni ilma.
Okay.
Rabbi zidni.
Okay, I read Urdu translation. You will listen. परवरदिगार मेरा सीना खोल दे और मेरे काम को मेरे लिए आसान कर दे, मेरी जुबान की गिरा सुलझा दे ताकि लोग मेरी बात समझ सकें. आमीन. Okay, Sarah, please read.
He, Musa alayhi salam, said, "My Lord, open up for me my chest
and ease for
me my task, and untie the knots for my tongue, that they may understand my speech."
Good, very good. Okay, so Sarah, this is annotation, and now read.
There.
This one.
Jim.
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 Yeah. This is Jim. This is Jim. Okay. Which symbol on the top? Which symbol on the top?
Where?
No. This is Zabar.
Zabar?
Yes, this is Zabar.
Zabar.
Yes.
Jim.
Jim Zabar Ja.
Jim Zabar Ja.
Yes. Look. First read letter. This one. First read letter and then you will read a symbol. Which symbol on
Jim
it?
Zabar Ja.
Jim Zabar Ja. Very good. Okay, good. So, tell me this one. Tell me this one. Which letter is this?
Jim Zer. Jim Zer. Jim Zer.
Yes, Jim Zer.
Ta.
Jim Zer G.
Jim Zer G.
Yes, due to Jim Zer, due to Jim Zer G. Okay, Jim sound become G. Jim. This is Jim. Due to Zer, Jim sound become G. G. Jim Zer G. Read it.
Jim Zer G.
Very good. Okay. See next one.
Jim Pesh.
Jim Pesh Ju. Ju.
Ju.
Jim Pesh Ju.
Ju.
Yes. Okay, Sarah, read all together. Jim Zabar Ja.
Jim Zabar Ja. Jim Zer G.
G. Yes, very good.
Jim
Pesh
Ju.
Ju. Mashallah. Mashallah. Say Alhamdulillah. Say.
Alhamdulillah.
Yes, Alhamdulillah. And clapping. Very good. Very good. Sarah, you are very beautiful doll and very intelligent girl. Very intelligent student. Sarah, you read excellent. Hooray. Wow. Jim Zabar Ja. Okay, read all together. Try to read without mind. Okay, Jim Zabar.
Jim Zabar Ja.
Very good.
Jim
And
Zer G.
very good.
Jim Zer
Ju.
Jim.
Jim
Ju.
Pesh Ju.
Pesh Ju.
Wow, wow, very good. Okay, Sarah, you are very good girl. Wow. Okay, Sarah, what is this? Tell me this one.
Ha.
Ha. Okay, which sign on the top? Look, which sign on the top? Which sign on the top? G. Ha Zabar Ha. Ha Zabar Ha. Ha Zabar Ha.
Ha Zabar Ha.
Yes. Ha Zabar Ha.
Ha Zabar Ha.
Ha Zer Hi.
Ha Zer Hi.
Ha Pesh Hu.
Ha Pesh Hu.
Very good. Ha Pesh Hu.
Ha Pesh Hu.
Good. Good girl. Okay. Now tell me this one. Yes. Which letter is this?
Ha.
And which sign on the top?
Zer.
Is it Zabar or Zer?
Zabar.
Zabar. Yes. Sarah, I tell you. Zabar and Pesh. They both always come always come above the letter. Okay, above the letter, and whereas the Z is always come under the letter, below the letter. This is Z. Okay, this is Z, and this is page. Okay, look, the page head is round with the tail. This is page, and page and zabar. Okay, both. Okay, both came above the letter. Okay, read all of them. Ha zabar ha. Read it. Ha zabar ha. Ha zir hi.
Ha
pesh hu.
Ha pesh hu.
Ha
Ha
hi hu. Yes. Okay, read all together without my help. Shabash. Try to read.
Ha.
Yes, and
Zir.
ha zir hi.
Ha zir hi.
Ha
Ha
pesh
pesh
hu. Mashallah, mashallah. Okay, read all together. Ha hi hu. Ha hi hu. Yes.
Ha hi hu.
Yes. Okay, Sarah G eats a lot of food. Okay, a lot of food, and it doesn't take exercise. Due to doesn't take exercise, it has long belly. Oh my God! Look, it's long belly because it's eat a lot of food and doesn't take exercise. Yes, and you can see here. Oh my God, it's a bread piece here. Okay, yes, hooray! Right? Oh, Jim Zabar Ja. Jim Zabar Ja. Jim Zer Ji. Jim Pesh Ju. Ja. Ja Ji Ju.
Ya ji du.
Yes, Ja Ji Ju.
Ja ji du.
Ja
Ja ji du.
Ja Ji Ju.
Ja ji du.
Ha Hi Hu. Okay, my dear students, my dear viewers, my dear subscribers, if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and share this video as much as you can on different social medias: Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok. Thank you very much for watching this video. Okay beta, Sarah, see you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
I'm on YouTube.
Yeah,
Love it.
Allah Hafiz.